Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the app. Open your profile, then tap the settings gear in the top right. Once done, scroll to find storage or clear conversations. Different versions label it slightly differently. You need this menu to see what's using space and to access controls that remove caches or clear chats. Make sure you're on a stable connection so the app loads all storage stats. This first step establishes where you control data. It's the doorway to freeing up space and managing automatic saves. You'll now inspect and change specific storage settings. First, review cache and snaps or stories size to judge what to remove. Larger items mean more benefit from clearing. Next, toggle autosave or memories preferences to stop future automatic storage growth, and consider moving sensitive items to my eyes only. Tap Clear Cache for quick space recovery, and use Manage Story Storage to delete old stories selectively. These actions reduce ongoing use and give you control over what the app retains and why. Finish by confirming all your changes and then restart Snapchat so the app recalculates storage. Once restarted, recheck the storage stats to verify space was freed and that your autosave preferences persist. If numbers don't change or options are missing, make sure the app is up to date. An outdated version can hide settings. As a last resort, back up memories and reinstall the app. This clears persistent cache issues. If problems continue, check device storage permissions to ensure Snapchat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.